Wealth creation and debt do not appear to be mutually exclusive. On one hand, you want to make more money and accumulate more assets. The debt that is tying up your money is on the other side. Wealthy people have learned how to take advantage of debt. In this video, we'll take a look at how you can make money using debt. While it is never the intention to be in debt indefinitely, strategically using it to build wealth does benefit them in the long run. The majority of hotels and rental properties are purchased with the help of bank loans and investors. Small business loans are used by some new businesses. It is entirely possible to build wealth through debt. You must be cautious not to overdo it during the process. Concentrating on one thing at a time can help you stay out of financial trouble. If you try to do too much too soon, you may end up having to declare bankruptcy, which will not benefit you in the long run. Here are some strategies for using debt to build wealth. Number 10. Consolidate your risky debts. Many people have multiple credit cards with extremely high interest rates. Because there is no collateral backing these debts, a bank considers them risky. If you fall behind on your payments, their only option is to send debt collectors after you. Spending all of your money on interest will not assist you in accumulating wealth. Consolidating these risky debts into a single loan will allow you to free up the money you already have. Debt consolidation loans frequently have lower interest rates than credit cards, so getting a new loan can assist you with your wealth-building strategies. Number 9. Leverage your home. Your house is a great way to make money and build wealth. Wealth is more than just having money in the bank. It's also about your assets and their worth. Your house is a valuable asset, and if it has a lot of equity in it, you can use it to help you build more wealth. Some people use the equity in their homes to purchase additional properties to rent out. When you use your home for this purpose, you should set up the proper business entity and file for a change of address online so that renters don't come knocking on your door. They use home equity loans for down payments and to get everything they need to get started in their new home. Another option is to use a HELOC and another credit card to pay off your mortgage faster. You can put the money you save towards other ways to build wealth. Number 8. Use debt for investing. The return on investment is sometimes much higher than the interest rate on a credit card. Some people use credit to begin investing because it allows them to accumulate wealth much faster. They convert the debt into something more valuable, cash out some of the earnings, use those to pay off the debt, and repeat the process. The debt is eventually paid off, and you end up with more money in your investments than you started with. Number 7. Don't fear student loans. Student loans are another type of debt that can help you build wealth. Some jobs necessitate a bachelor's or advanced degree for success. This means you can use your student loans to improve your career options, making you more money in the long run. This provides you with opportunities to accumulate wealth. People working in the financial industry frequently have bachelor's degrees or higher, as well as industry-specific licenses. This allows them to manage portfolios, start accounting businesses, and much more. Student loans are simply a tool to help you achieve your professional and financial objectives. Number 6. Use debt to build a business. While the concept of using debt to build wealth may appear novel, it has been practiced for a long time. Debt is frequently used by businesses to get started. Some businesses are nearly impossible to start without a small business loan or investors. You'll need permits, buildings, employees, and so much more. You probably won't have a lot of money to do all of this when you first start out. Small business loans are thus the ideal situation. You can create a wealth-building machine by using debt to build a business. As your company grows, so will your opportunities to earn and invest more. Number 5. Making your savings work harder. Many people prefer to keep money in a cash savings bank account as emergency funds or a buffer, as this makes them feel more secure. In reality, this money would be better in an offset account linked to your mortgage. You will earn a higher after-tax return and shorten the term of your mortgage while not locking up the funds. Number 4. Better cash flow management. Managing cash flow is critical to reducing bad debt. The main idea is to reduce interest payments by increasing the frequency of mortgage payments, increasing the amount paid, depositing your entire salary into an offset account, or using an interest-free period on a credit card to pay for daily expenses, freeing up other funds for paying off your home loan without paying any interest. Number 3. Borrowing to create wealth. After you've reduced your bad debt, it's time to start accumulating some good debt. This is known as gearing. Gearing can help you create wealth if you invest wisely and your assets appreciate in value, as the income and capital growth from the investment pays off the debt, and exceeds the costs of servicing that debt. Property or stock is frequently a good strategy in this situation. You can raise the additional funds by borrowing against your home's equity, taking out a margin loan, or investing in a managed share fund. Number 2, debt recycling. Debt recycling is the practice of redrawing the equity you have built up as you pay off your home loan to invest in shares or other property. Once again, the bad debt becomes a good debt that can earn you an income and be used to pay back the loan while also providing tax breaks. Any extra money can also be put back into your mortgage to help you pay it off faster and save even more money on interest. Number 1, invest in a geared managed share fund. A managed share fund is internally geared, which means you don't need to take out an investment loan to benefit from the gearing effect of borrowing to invest. In this case, the fund manager borrows at wholesale rates on behalf of investors in order to invest in international or domestic stock markets. Isn't debt, however, a bad thing? Only if you fail to pay on time. Taking out a loan, especially one that will help you get a better start or improve your earning potential, is never a bad idea unless you fail to pay your EMIs on time. That is when you will be charged late fees and interest. This is also how credit card debt can spiral. By only paying the minimum amount each month, you are leaving a large amount unpaid for which you are charged interest. Each month, your bill grows larger. Interest and late payments can quickly add up, whether it's on a credit card or an overdue loan. This not only harms your financial health, but also your credit score, making it more difficult to obtain loans. However, if you make it a habit to pay off everything you owe each month, you'll be fine. In fact, when it comes to credit cards, it can even be a profitable habit. If you set up a standing instruction to pay everything every month, you get all the convenience of a credit card without any of the costs. In fact, using a credit card in this manner is an excellent way to improve your credit score. When you try to bring some good debt into your life, a strong credit score becomes extremely important. Let's say you want to study abroad, start a business, or buy a house. All of these will necessitate a loan. Your credit score will determine who will give you a loan and at what interest rate. The higher your credit score, the more options you have. All of these steps require quality advice and an understanding of the risks and potential returns. Going a step further, good debt is one of the best ways to begin leveraging the power of your money and creating passive income streams that will help you build real wealth. Without debt, very few people would own a home or be able to start building their empire. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please like and comment what you think. We'll see you with another interesting video.